Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to take your exercise 2.2 of NCERT and I will discuss question number 1 to question number 8 of linear equations in one variable. Okay, so let's start with the first question. If you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? So children, in these type of questions, in these type of word problems, you have to form an equation. Okay, after that only you can find the value of given unknown. Clear? So the hint or the trick to solve these word problem is break the question into different parts and do it as the question suggests you to do. Okay, so let's start. Let the required number be x because we don't know the unknown number. What is the number is to be calculated. So let the number be x. Now subtract half from a number. So what would be next step? X minus 1 by 2 and multiply the result. Result of subtraction means this result is to be multiplied by half. We have done it. And when you solve this, you will get an answer 1 by 8. So this is your required equation. Okay, now we will solve it. So first of all, we will take LCM. LCM will be 2. 2x minus 1 into half equals to 1 by 8. So this will give you 2x minus 1 equals to 4 equals to 1 by 8. Now cross multiply. So you will get 16x minus 8 equals to 4. Now we'll transpose minus 8 to RHS. So it will become 16x equals to 12 and x equals to 16 is in multiplication. So when it will be transposed, it will go into the division. So it will become 12 by 16. On simplification, we will get 3 by 4. So children, to solve word problem, this is very important to form a correct equation. Then only you can reach to the correct result. Okay. Move to second question. In this question, perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is given to us. That is 154 meter. Now what is perimeter? When you add all the sides of a given geometrical shape, that addition will give you the perimeter. Clear? Now its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Okay, so we don't know length as well as we don't know breadth. Okay, so first of all we will assume that let the breadth of the rectangular pool be x, like I have written here. Now for length we have given a relation, that is length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So x breadth is x, twice of x will be 2x and length is 2 meter more. So length will become 2x plus 2. Clear? Now calculate the perimeter. So what would be the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth, sum of all the four sides. Okay. Put the values, length is 2x plus 2, breadth is x equals to 154. When you solve this, open the bracket, you will get 3x plus 2 equals to 154. Now multiply the 2 by all the terms which are inside the bracket. So you will get 6x plus 4 equals to 154. Okay, simple linear equation is formed now. Now you will transpose plus 4 to RHS because in LHS we want only variables. So on transposing you will get 150. So the value of x can be calculated as 150 upon 6. So it will give you 25. So breadth you have obtained, that is 25 meter. Now what about length? For length we have equation 2x plus 2. So put the value of x over here. Okay. When you will put the value, you will get 52 meter. Clear? Now, if you want to check whether you have got correct values or not, what you will do? You will put these two values, length and breadth, into the formula of perimeter. When you will solve, again you will get 154 meter. Okay, third question, again important question. In this, the base of isosceles triangle is given to you. Now what do you mean by isosceles triangle? A triangle which has two equal sides. Okay, as you can see in the diagram, the base is given, base is 4 by 3 centimeter and two equal sides like these two sides. These two sides are unknown to us, so we will assume let the length of any one of equal side be x. Okay, again perimeter is given to us in mixed form, that is 4 and 2 by 15. So first of all we will convert the mixed form into the rational form. It will give you 62 by 15 centimeter. Okay, now perimeter means add all the three sides, so you will get x plus 4 by 3 equals to 62 by 5, because triangle has three sides. So the addition of three sides will give you the perimeter. Now solve it. 2x plus 4 by 3 equals to 62 by 15. Okay, we will transpose 4 by 3 to RHS. So it will get a sign change of minus. Take LCM. LCM will be 15. In the numerator you will get 62 minus 20. On solving you will get 42 by 15. Okay, the ratio can be further simplified. So on further simplification you will get the side as 7 by 5 centimeter. Okay, so the remaining two sides, the value of remaining two equal sides will be 7 by 5 centimeter. And students, please note down, like whatever the methods I have shown you here, you have to write the steps to solve any kind of word problem. Okay, without steps the solution doesn't mean anything. Clear? Fourth question. In this question you are given sum of two numbers, that is 95, and one number exceeds the other by 15. So very easy question. Let's assume the first number be x. What would be the second one? It exceeds the other by 15. So obviously the second one will be x plus 15. Now when you add these two numbers, the sum should be 95. Very easy. So form an equation, x plus 15 equals to 95. Solve it. You will get 2x plus 15 equals to 95. 15 will be transposed to RHS, so it will get a sign change of minus. It will give you 80. So value of x, 2 will go into the denominator, so it will give you x equals to 40. So your first number is 40 and second number will be, put the value of x in, x plus 15, so it will give you 55. Okay, now move to question number 5. In this question the two numbers are given in the ratio of 5:3, and if they differ by 18, what are the numbers? So for these kind of ratio problems, what is our first step? First of all, we assume let the factor of ratio be x. So this factor x will be multiplied by the ratio and will give you the desired number. Okay, so let the factor of ratio be x. So what would be the first number? 5x, and second number 3x. Okay, as per the question the numbers differ by 18, so put the values. 5x minus 3x equals to 18. On solving you will get x equals to 18 by 2, that is 9. Now this 9 is the value of factor, not your desired numbers. So to calculate desired number, 9 has to be multiplied by 5 and 3. Okay, so when you will multiply, your first number will be 45 and second number 3x equals to 3 into 9 equals to 27. Okay, question number 6. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are the integers? Now children, the consecutive numbers means the numbers which follow a sequence, like 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13. These type of sequential numbers are known as consecutive numbers, which comes after one after another. So let the 3 consecutive numbers be x. If I add 1, it will give me next number, so x plus 1 and x plus 2. So according to question, the sum of these 3 consecutive numbers give us to 51. So form an equation x plus 1, x plus 2 equals to 51. Take all the x terms together and add. So it will give you 3x plus 3 equals to 51. Now transpose plus 3 to RHS. So it will give you 3x equals to 48 and x equals to 48 by 3 equals to 16. Now you have got the first number x 16. What would be the second number? 16 plus 1, 17. 16 plus 2, 18. So as you can see here, 3 consecutive numbers means sequential numbers 16, 17 and 18. Okay. Now question number 7. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. Again 3 consecutive numbers. So we'll start with the same step. Let the 3 consecutive numbers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. These 3 consecutive numbers are multiple of 8. So multiply the 3 consecutive numbers by 8 like this. And when you add these 3 multiples, you will get a sum of 888. So form an equation. Take all x terms together, add, you will get 24x plus 24 equals to 888. Now transpose 24 to RHS. So you will get 888 minus 24, it will give you 864. So value of x will be 864 upon 24. It will give you x equals to 36. Okay. So first number you have got, that is 36. It is the factor. Okay. But we have to calculate the multiples, not the numbers. So first multiple will be 8x. So put the value of x here. So 8 into 36, it will give you 288. Again second multiple is what? 8, x plus 1. Put the value. You will get 296. And third multiple 8, x plus 2 equals to, it will give you 304. Okay, this is the last question of this video. In this, again consecutive integers are there and are taken in increasing order. Okay, and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. So first of all, let us consider the 3 consecutive numbers x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Now it is getting multiplied by 2, 3 and 4. So x is getting multiplied by 2x, x plus 1 by 3 and x plus 2 is getting multiplied by 4. When you add all these 3, it will give you 74. So this is our desired equation. Simplify the equation. You will get 9x plus 11 equals to 74. Now transpose 11 to RHS. It will give you 74 minus 11, 63. Value of x will be 63 upon 9, that is 7. Okay. Now in this case you have to find the numbers, not the multiplier. So the first number will be x, second number x plus 1, that is 7 plus 1 equals to 8, and third number x plus 2 equals to 7 plus 2 equals to 9. So 3 consecutive numbers are 7, 8, 9. I hope these 8 questions are clear to you. In the next video, I will take question number 9 to question 16 of exercise 2.2. Thank you.